Well, I was asked by David Penrhyn to make the video design for the opera. There's not going to be a classical stage design, it's going to be all video. And I tried to create the whole house, which is kind of the main character of the story. It's a horror story about the house killing its inhabitants. So I created this idea of having this kind of classical 3 screens, so 1 wide screen and 2 high screens, and trying to create kind of a 3-dimensional experience.
Lord Penrhyn